everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a cool zoom blur effect in Canva in just 1 minute. So let's get started. First, just open Canva and then create new designs. Upload the image that you want. And then next, just go to apps. And then just search for the frame blur. This one, this app. Just click on it and then open. And then just tap on your image on the designs and then just tap on edit image. And then choose shape, choose square, and then just on the blur effect, just choose zoom, this one, and then adjust the intensity as you like. But first, just select the all area on your photo like this. And then adjust the intensity as you like. Just go to more settings. For example, like this, and then you can also adjust the inner circle size. For example, like this, and then go back, and when you're done, just tap on save. And then next, just add your original image again. This one. And then just remove the background. And place it until it matches the first picture or first image like this. Like this, and done. Now you have got a clean zoom blur effect in Canva. It's quick and easy. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.